guys.
Hi, what's up? What's up? Okay, look. So I've been having this question that's been bothering me for a while now. Okay, so I'll get right to it.
Whoa, wait. Let me just hold you right there. Your tone seems really upsetting, bro. Everything's
No,
fine,
yeah. Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
You seem worried. What happened?
Yeah, just
okay.
hear me out. Okay. So, bro, मैं ये सोच रहा था कि अगर मेरे प्रिय पिताश्री मुझे और मेरी सीते को वनवास पे भेजते हैं तो क्या तुम मेरे प्रिय छोटे भाई लक्ष्मण बनकर हमारे साथ चलोगे?
प्रिया भैया चलोगे हमारे साथ?
Fucking, you guys just called me up to tell that. What the fuck? I thought it was something serious.
Hey, dude, no need to react this way. Like, just give an answer, no? Just say yes or no, and you know I love you, right? And I put my money on you, so just give an answer, man.
हाँ, भाई भाई का रिश्ता खास होता है, अक्सर दिल के पास होता है. जब भाई भाई लड़ते हैं तो कुल का नाश होता है.
अरे वाह, अति सुंदर ब्रो.
You know what? The lockdown is getting to the both of you, and so is that Ramayan show. Like, so deep within you guys. Like, I don't...
अरे, just give us one answer ना, हाँ या ना. Otherwise we'll go look for some
Yeah,
other
yeah,
option.
dude.
Oh, well, in that case, best of luck looking for another Lakshman.
Dude, वो चाहे लक्ष्मण मिले या ना मिले, तू तो मेरी सीते रहेगी श्रुति.
प्रभु.
सीते.
I'm never gonna be in the same video call as you both. You know what? I'm gonna add Zia to the call.
Oh, bro, Zia, it's been so long since I spoke to him. You know what, I काम कर, text him or something, ask him to join the call.
Yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah,
yeah,
dude.
like even I haven't heard from that guy since like so long. Lockdown start हुए कुछ 10-12 दिन ही हुए हैं.
Kiara, bro, it's been 11 fucking days. Can you believe it?
Damn, that's insane.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Anyways, I've texted him before telling him to come online and all that, but he told that he's quitting all these online chatting platforms because privacy. You know Ziyad, how he is.
Ziyad being Ziyad.
Yeah,
Let's
dude, I
hope
know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool then. Let's see.
सीते वैसे
Okay,
Oh.
guys, let's
Ah.
switch to the Munch app ASAP, okay? I've somehow convinced Zia to come over there. Be quick, otherwise you're gonna miss him. Cool?
Whoa, like how did you manage to do that? Anyway, bye-bye.
चलो bye.
Sure.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey Zia, what's up?
Hey,
How
Zia.
are you?
Ziyad, how are you?
I'm good. How are you
How
guys?
come you're online and all? What? Mama gave permission or what?
Hey, you very well know why I don't come online, right? And like this one is a comparatively safer and way secure platform, and that's the only reason I'm here.
Right.
Chill out, dude. How paranoid can one even be?
Yeah, bro.
What?
Chill out.
Oh,
Me, paranoid.
here we go.
You know what, Shruti? Someone can literally be recording this video of you right now and can use it to make deepfakes. You think you will be chill when you see your faces at places it shouldn't be? I mean, do you even realize what kind of data this application accesses? It knows your location data, it knows who your friends are, it knows when you talk to them, it knows who you talk to. I mean, it will be so damn easy to push propaganda on you. You know what, Shruti? It's gullible people like you who go out and vote for Trump.
Bro, whoa, calm down. All she did was just to try to calm you down, man. Chill out, yeah.
Calm. Beat down.
Yeah.
Calm her down, dude. Like, she makes zero
Whoa,
sense whenever she
dude,
opens her mouth.
You're crossing a limit now, right?
What? Like,
Stay
hey,
cool.
what? Like, when have I not made sense?
Shruti, when have you made any sense? And Vivek, too, रहने दे आप, please. I mean, I shouldn't expect you guys to understand the gravity of the situation, so it's fine.
Vivu, am I honestly that bad?
Shruti, please don't cry now. And Ziad, she makes sense, okay?
Yeah.
And if you're not paranoid enough for something, turn your video on, no? I mean, prove her wrong, no? Can't do it, no?
Yeah, happy? Asshole.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up, yo? How are all of you doing?
Hey,
Abhi,
Abhi, yo, कैसा
हाँ.
है, कैसा है?
Hey,
What's
yo,
up?
guys, how are you? Huh? Whoa. What happened? Why is Shruti crying,
Take a
guys?
guess.
Hey, Ziad, man, what the fuck?
Exactly.
Don't tell me.
I just told her the
You
truth.
started again or what? What even, dude? Like, that's nasty. Leave all that stuff, by the way. You tell me, dude, how are all of you in quarantine and stuff? You know, like, how is it being?
Okay.
How does it feel to be cooped up in your homes all day? You know what?
Fine.
By the way, I just had the bloody time of my life. Breathing the not so polluted air outside. Road should be this clean all the bloody time. Honestly,
Wait a
man.
minute. Did you just go outside on your bike? Did you?
Yeah, like, dude, you know me, right? Like, staying inside is just not my thing, man.
You know what, Ziad? Humans are dying because of people like you. I literally loathe your existence
Agree,
right now.
agree, I agree.
Shruti. You should stop crying. At least you're way better than this ignorant prick here. I mean, he's ignorant. You're just dumb.
Dude, can you stop personally attacking her like this? I mean, you know what? Shruti, listen to me.
I did not
Let's just
personally
leave this
attack
call,
her.
okay? It's too much.
Hey, whoa, wait, hey, Vivek,
What?
Shruti, hey, don't do that now. Like, not for me at least. Like, you know how Ziad is, right? Like, just take it easy.
Yeah. Cool.
You know what, Ziad? Listen to me, bro.
Yeah.
These are really hard times for everybody, and even for our friends as well. And you're just making it even more harder for them. Why are you attacking her this much, huh? And I think there's some other reason over here that you're using to lash out on Shruti. I think you should apologize, man. Don't you think you should apologize for that?
Yeah,
Ziad?
I guess you guys are.
Shruti, please don't
right.
cry now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Shruti. Shruti, listen to me. I'm really sorry.
Better.
Maybe it's the lockdown or something. I don't know. Moreover, we've been friends for so long, you know. And I'll be really honest with you. You're one of the smartest girls I know. To be honest, you're one of the smartest girls I know. And you're the only reason I'm on this call, Shruti. I don't know if you believe me, but yeah, I'm really
but
sorry.
That's sweet,
That's
man.
cute.
Appreciate
Yeah.
it.
Hey, by the way, guys,
I mean
guys.
it.
Hey, don't forget, I'm also on this call now. That means I'm also smart, by the way. Hey, thanks, Ziad. Apology
Hey,
accepted.
shut up, not you, asshole.
Anyways, like अभी like when you were out there, police नहीं थी क्या?
हाँ, exactly.
Like it's everywhere on the social media, dude. Like them lathi charging on the violators and stuff.
Hey, what,
Absolutely.
police and all, they were there now. What even do? Like, you know, they were bloody beating up this guy so bad for getting all this some medical supplies and stuff. लेकिन आपके भाई को छूने में किसी की हिम्मत है क्या?
That's sad.
I just sped away on my beloved bike, dude. What a close call.
Dude, why do you do stuff like this? You could have been in a spot too, na? I mean, हद होती है बे, not cool, man.
Yeah.
हद होती है.
Dude, honestly, I shouldn't have even fucking told you guys and all that. Like, I knew you all would react like this and start parenting me, man.
Vivek has a point here. I mean, a fair point.
Thanks.
Yes, he's always right.
बस ठीक है.
Hey, get a room, you two, please get a room.
Plus.
Lockdown है, that's the whole point.
वरना तो
Yeah.
हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो
I'm not watching this. I'm not watching
Stop it.
Let's stop.
Wait. Guys, you all are being too cringy right now.
Hey.
You know, just let me know when you all are done with all the stuff. I'll just be right back.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Hey, do you guys see that?
You see that, yeah?
I, They look like bruises from Lucky Strike to you guys.
मतलब इसको भी मार पड़ा है.
Whoa.
Hey, call him back now.
अभी
Abhi,
अभी
Abhi, can you come back here, Abhi?
Come back.
Abhi,
Yo, what happened, guys? What are you talking about?
what's all
Hey,
that?
turn around.
What's all that behind your back, bro?
Turn it. Oh, what happened?
पीछे.
My mom? Nothing.
No, as in what's up with your bag?
My back. Oh.
Yeah.
That nothing, you know. I just had a minor accident on my bike and all.
Oh, so you fell from your bike backwards. Seems like
Hey,
Abhi.
Abhi,
Right.
that's the case, yeah. Abhi, can you like send me a picture of your bike? I want to see if there's any damage.
That's the point.
What? Guys, like, see, honestly, you guys have made me realize my mistake and stuff. It's risky going outside,
Yeah.
dude. Like, I'm not only endangering myself, but my bloody family also, man. Think about them.
Yeah.
What are you even talking about?
Fresh air.
What the...
Dude, why are you trying so hard? We are your best friends. We know you.
Go on, just say it. You got thrashed, no?
What?
Yeah, I mean, bro, why are you lying to us?
Okay.
Just tell it.
Dude,
You got
yeah,
thrashed.
cool.
You got thrashed.
You know, I went outside, I got thrashed. That's it. End of story, man. Yeah, I don't want to tell it to you guys, obviously, because you know everyone will make me a meme material and stuff. What even? Or okay, like I went. तुम लोग भी समझ जाओ, तुम लोग भी मत जाओ यार. अबे क्या मारते हैं ये लोग यार? Like, you know, my back still hurts. My ass also hurts, man. I can't even sit आराम से.
You know what, Abhi? You completely deserve this, man. I'm sorry to be really blunt here, but the police out there, they're trying their best to keep people as safe as possible by making them stay indoors. And you're just going outside and then making it worse for yourself as well as for the others. So I don't know what to say, man. Like,
Sahil, you're right, but I mean, the cops are no less. Like, they shouldn't be going around thrashing people like that. I mean, just take a look at his back, guys.
but if
Plus, I guess everyone has seen the content going around with social media. I mean, it's crazy out there.
It's brutal.
Dude, but like, I mean, dude, the cops are just doing their duty, right? If people like
Guys,
don't understand clear words like this
I
guy,
think-
what are the cops supposed to do? They'll
the
obviously
problem-
resort to methods like these, right?
Huh? क्या?
Hey,
yeah,
dude. But first of all, that doesn't mean, you know, you thrash people this hard.
Guys, I think we have a problem.
हाँ.
I'm gonna die, guys.
What happened?
I'm gonna die. I'm out of sanitizer.
Wait, what?
See, I'll call you paranoid again and you'll hate me
This
again.
is important, guys.
Shut the fuck up.
This
You
is
know what,
really important.
hold up, I have some
I
extras.
don't know how to survive without sanitizer.
हाँ, एक मिनट. I have
You
some
do?
extra. ये ले श्रुति.
I owe you my life.
Oh, so generous.
whoa, that
Thanks,
all
guys,
one,
thanks.
fresh. Hey, Abhi, take it, na?
Oh, अबे ले ना ले साला.
Oh. Thank you, guys. I literally owe you my life.
Hey, anything? Oh, dude,
I
Sahil.
love you, guys.
Yeah, dude.
I love you.
Check out the shut the hell up. Dude, Sahil, man, you tell me one thing, like, how you doing time pass and all that now, man? You know, I keep seeing your stories and stuff. You're making food, you're making origami and whatnot. Like, bloody, तू बोर नहीं होता क्या?
Yeah, that's cool
And
stuff.
dude, you're reading books also. Like, तू boredom से निकलने के लिए और भी boring चीजें कर रहा है. हमको भी बता दो थोड़ा.
Hey, man, it's not that boring as you think it is, okay?
So,
I'm just making proper use of my time over here, and weirdly, this lockdown is one of the best things that has happened to me, bro. I'm like enjoying it a lot.
Oh damn.
Damn.
हमको भी बताओ थोड़ा, enlighten us.
Wow. How?
See, the key is to keeping a proper routine plan for yourself and then just abiding by it. So I've been trying to, you know, do all the activities and catch up on all the things I couldn't while in college, as cooking, origami you saw on Instagram, yeah. So that, and I have this huge ass book collection you see behind me, yeah. So I finished these 3 books over here. Now I'm on the 4th book. So I'm reading a lot. I'm doing what I like and utilizing my time properly. Just keep a plan, bro. It'll work out.
Damn, man, that's impressive, man. That's good shit. Nice.
Thanks, dude. Thanks.
हाँ, no, like अच्छा है. You know what? Even I'll do something. You know, I'll just make a list of things I've been wanting to watch and cook, and
Yeah,
I'll get
it-
right
it-
to
Guys,
it.
you know what? I've been reading up to. I just read this book called The Illuminatus. Wait, I'll tell you the movie I watched. So it's called The Moon Gate, and it explains how the entire American moon landing was fake. It was
Whoa.
fake, guys. Bloody
Whoa.
Americans. I mean,
Ziad, when you told Illuminatus, you mean Illuminati, right?
yes, exactly. Like how that group controls the entire world, all the governments.
Hey, wait,
That's crazy.
guys. Please tell me you're joking or something
Yeah.
right now. Like, please, like, all of you sound so boring, dude. What the hell, even?
No.
What? Dude, no. See, like, I'm serious about all this, and I'm pretty sure they're serious too, dude. Like, I mean, seriously, like, you have no idea ये lockdown कब तक चलेगा, right? So you might as well pick up some new skill or something and start learning, no?
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? Actually, talking about that, there's this girl I've been, recently chatting with and all, and we've been really hitting it off and all, by the way. Like, it's really amazing.
Oh, which girl, bro? You've never mentioned any girl at all.
What, man? Like, man, see, I don't want to jump to conclusions and all, man. Yeah, but you know, even she's some crazy bookworm and stuff, and she keeps mentioning all these authors and all. Some Stephen King, some Tolkien, and some Tolstoy and all. I haven't even heard of them and stuff. And you know what? Honestly, I just think I'll start with some Chetan Bhagat or something. Keep it easy, keep it simple.
Okay,
Classic
what
Abhishek.
you just okay, bro. I'm gonna. How dare you? Firstly, how dare you take his name in the same breath as that of great authors like Tolkien and Tolstoy? What the fuck? You know what? I'm gonna send you the app. I'm gonna send you the list of books as well. Please start reading them, and please don't read Chetan Bhagat books, please. Like fucking.
Guys, it's been
Yeah.
way too
Calm
long
down,
we've been on
calm
this
down.
app. I don't want a Trojan in
Trojan?
my phone.
No.
What? He just left? Dude, that guy's damn weird, bro.
I just came.
Yeah, like why was he attacking me so much?
Hey Shruti, it's Ziad. You know how he is. I mean, you can't help it. Just let it go, okay? Don't
Hey,
think
but
over it.
bro, that wasn't cool, okay? I mean, seriously, man. Like, wait, you know what? Once this lockdown gets over, I'm gonna beat him up. I'm gonna thrash him so bad. Not cool, bro. Not cool.
Hey, but guys, don't tell me it's only me or whatever. Like, have you guys also noticed, like, he has something especially against Shruti, huh? Something happened between the two of you or what? Hey, tell me now, let me also know.
No, dude, like nothing. Like he would react in such a way.
Okay, good. Whoa, shit. Guys, it's already 4.
Whoa.
What even?
Yeah.
Just switch on your TVs and all, now. Modi ji is coming live. Yeah. A new task apparently.
नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, बैठे बैठे क्या करे, करना है कुछ काम, इस मुश्किल वक्त में चलो खेले अंताक्षरी। तो आइए सब शाम को 5 बजे छत पे आते हैं और अपने अड़ोसी पड़ोसियों के साथ अंताक्षरी खेलते हैं। बस एक बात याद रखना मेरे मित्रों, कि दूरी बनाए रखना, जोर से गाइए
I
पर
like
दूर
this
से।
guy, dude. This good.
मेरे बात दोहराइए, जोर से गाइए।
Dude, it's so funny, okay?
यार मैं तो करूँगी ये task. Yes, some exciting task finally.
हाँ, dude.
Karo. It's such a funny task, yeah.
इतना negative क्यों है, bro? As in, ये देख गाना है, and I think it's gonna be fun, okay? See, I'm gonna sing. मैं तो मजे में।
Yeah, it's fun, dude.
अरे बिल्कुल यार, गाओ मजे करो।
Whatever, man. Honestly.
Guys, you know what? Right now I require some medical attention. Like, I'll just be right back. I'll talk to you guys later, huh?
Cool.
Chal.
Take care.
See you all.
Bye.
Bye, dude.
Yeah.
Bye.
Chal. Bye.
सीते
So Vivek, I was like, we
वैसे
need
मैं
to
सोच रहा
talk.
था क्यों ना हम अंताक्षरी की प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करें।
हाँ क्यों ना?
No, not Antakshari.
हमें तुमसे
Please,
प्यार
don't start this.
इतना, ये तुम नहीं
Holy fuck.
जानते।
I'm leaving the chat.
मगर
Vivek, Shruti, I'm leaving the chat.
सकते
Fuck.
तुम्हारे बिना
I'm leaving it. Fuck it. Exercising. Bye.
सिर्फ